Okay, hi, this is Jim Morris, and this is a quick presentation on the special proposal for discount gold brokers, and I wanted to bring forth a visual presentation of the proposal rather than writing it down, which unfortunately does not anyway come close to depicting exactly what's going on. So we're talking about doing a campaign to rid the first page of any bad negative feedback that are left by people. And as you can see, by entering discount gold brokers into Google, we immediately get some Google instant suggestions, and these are most likely the ones that people are going to choose as they are going and typing it in. Obviously some people are going to type in .com, and as we can say, that brings up a different set of suggestions from Google. I know that in my conversation with Mike Berman that we had discussed, Mike, that you would look at the Google Analytics for discountgoldbrokers.com to find out which keywords are bringing in the most traffic and which one particular keyword you wanted to focus on first. And that's quite all right. But as you can see, these are the ones that are coming up that automatically are going to be directing the visitor's attention that wants to do a review. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at and what exactly is going to happen. If we type in Discount Gold Brokers Reviews, which is the suggestion, we see that the ripoff report is the first line of defense here right up above Discount Gold Brokers. And this looks like U-Bot review. I guess this is on the actual Discount Gold Brokers site, and then the actual main domain comes in right here. Now the reason this particular page is featured by Google is because you'll see review is actually in the title tag of the document. If you notice, when we go over and visit that page, the top bar here will show this is the actual title tag of this document, and that's the first line that appears. If we look at the source code of all the code behind this, we'll see right here title. This is the title tag that ends up showing up as the first line in Google. So that's the reason why this actual page shows up before the actual main domain of Discount Gold Brokers right here. And then we'll notice some local listings right here. Then we've got the BBB. So the focus of the campaign is going to be to get content ranked above this to then push it beyond the first page. And as you can see, I have a Google Chrome plugin that actually automatically gives me page 2 on the same page. I don't have to click to it. So we want to get the primary objective, from what I understand, is to first get any negative feedback that has been left on the internet here on the first page for a particular keyword, to get it to the second page and then beyond. And the way I had discussed with you, Mike, about how I structure payment is based on each keyword. So based on the first keyword that you give me, if it would happen to be Discount Gold Brokers Reviews, I would work on getting content ranked on this front page and have the rest of it pushed down. So the ripoff report would then be pushed down. One of the things we talked about that you're going to get for me are similar to the U-Bot review here, is to get me some positive comments from actual Discount Gold Brokers clients who have had some words. And what we can do is then get some videos up on YouTube, and since YouTube is owned by Google, we're going to be able to get those pages, those videos ranked easily for whatever the keyword is. So let's take it for instance, there's not too many videos out there for gold that people are doing. So I'll give you an example, how to buy a car. And because what's happening with Google in the main search results right here, Google now does what's called universal search results. And what that means is that they're mixing in not only news, they're also mixing in videos, and as we can see here down on number 8, 9, we have an actual video that's ranked on YouTube, and as we can see, the keyword here is how to buy a car, how to buy a new car, but the main keyword phrase is still in there. Obviously, if this was how to buy a car, it would probably get ranked higher. As you can see, this is the optimal way to have a title tag, is having the main keyword phrase right in the beginning, whereas this video doesn't do that. But as you can see, videos get ranked really high, so what I would do is attempt to get videos and content ranked on the first page, which would then, of course, push all of this stuff down to the second page. And we discussed if we wanted to go further than that, after I show you the results of my work and the effectiveness of it, we would then go and start pushing stuff to the second page. And so the way I work with payment is we discussed a tier level. So basically getting all the negative stuff off the page and pushed down to the second page for a specific keyword would cost $350. And then as we push it down yet another page, that's going to require another good it could be anywhere from 10 to 15 hours of my own time to push it down. To get it down to the third page, that would be another $350. So that's basically how I would work on a performance basis. So as you see the results, just like you had said, we can talk about the first goal that we reach and then what we want to do as part of the second goal, moving on from there. So that's basically how it goes. One of the things I had noticed, as you can see here, this is the actual title tag for Discount Gold Brokers on the site, because if we click over to the main domain page, we'll see right here in the bar Discount Gold Brokers. Now you'll notice when we go back here that Ripoff Report, they are using their maximum number of letters here on the title tag. Discount Gold Brokers could easily put in some extra title tags in here. On the BBB, they use their maximum number of letters here. So what's happening here is you could be maximizing the property of this first line for Google so that you can get more keywords in here to get that front page ranked for it. It makes it definitely more powerful. And what could happen is we could add in the word, we can work in somewhere in here, in between here where the Norton OK is, and right over here. Don't mind this, this is just an extra plugin on my site that just says your site is safe and threat-free. But from here, this point on, all the way to the end here, we could put in words like reviews, review, to get it ranking for Discount Gold Brokers reviews, to get this higher up here and up above Ripoff Report, because as you can see here, they have review in their title tag right there. So that's basically what covers that. One of the other things is that as you look at your site here and you look at different pages of it, you'll see that Discount Gold Brokers, as you can see right as I mouse over, you'll see the little tag. Let me move this down so you can see it. You'll see that pop up, and every single page has live, as you can see, the main keyword phrase here is live prices because that's the name of the page. It looks like what you guys are using is WordPress to power this, and if I go down to the bottom it may indicate so. Actually it doesn't, but I can pretty much guarantee this is a WordPress site. But as you can see, every page has discount gold brokers right after the actual name of the page. Because if I go to silver coins, it's going to have silver coins : discount gold brokers. Unfortunately, that is not very good, only because you're using the same redundant keywords over and over, and you want to make your title tag is your first line on Google. You want to make that a unique title tag, and it doesn't necessarily always have to use discount gold brokers in it. It's actually better that way because Google looks at that as each page is unique unto itself. That doesn't necessarily mean you have to change the name of the page here, but you could do that other than just saying silver coin. I look at every single page of a website as an article, and I wouldn't necessarily put a simple generic article that says silver coins on a page. I'm just giving you some additional data as far as what Google looks at as far as uniqueness and such. So that basically covers the entire proposal, and I wanted to do this as a visual understanding of exactly what we're going to do. And if you could get to me as soon as you can your one single keyword so that I can begin my preparations, as well as some testimonials, as I was saying, so that I can start creating some videos. Thank you so much, and I'll make sure to talk to you soon.